Hello everyone, this is an analysis of gold looking at the daily time frame to start things off here. And as you can see here, I've been making some updates to my charts more frequently here, just trying to figure out when exactly we're going to start to see gold pull back a little bit. And we're starting to see a little bit of that calmness or comfort come into the market, I should say, that where the emotions are starting to come back a little bit from the whole North Korea situation. However, I expect somehow something's probably going to happen over the weekend, as per Kim's usual routine. So, keep that in mind. There could be some event happening over the weekend where it's out of your control as to what your positions can or can't do, or what you have the flexibility to take the opportunity to do about something that you may be involved in, via being long or being short in a situation. It's very tempting to go short here, but again, there's a lot of tension out there. So, I do have to just put that out there that I myself am still not short and I'm looking for it, but I'm just kind of not ready to pull that trigger. There's other plays out there right now, so it's not really like this is the one all for me. But I'm just watching this, and I do get a lot of questions about, is this the time to go short? Well, yeah, keep your eyes on a few things. So keep your eyes on the dollar yen. Obviously, that's rule number one. Just keep that at the front burner of what you're looking at, as well as the gold charts and the price action. So let me just kind of jump into this here. Zooming out a little bit here, you can really get a look at where we're at with things. So here is that candle that formed during the presidential election, and we have since surpassed that by bumping up to about that 1345 level. So that's definitely a heavy resistance area here, and it's been a very, very impressive move with gold. We've broken out from basically 1300 and hit 1345. So a quick $45 within a few sessions, about a week or so, give or take a week and a half, whatever it may be. It's a very, very, very strong move that we've seen. Given what's been happening, it's not very surprising, but I do want to point this out. So looking at things on a larger time frame, the weekly time frame, one of the best ways to kind of analyze the price action. This candlestick is looking quite bearish. So again, if we happen to close any lower, I mean, even if we're closed with this, almost this doji pattern here, then that you'd expect the price to basically maybe bump 1335 or so, and then kind of retrace, break below 1326, head back down to this trend line here, and dropping back down to the lower time frame here, just to kind of give you further expectation. This trend line is our 4-hour trend line that I have right now. I'm on the daily time frame, just kind of showing you things on a little bit cleaner picture. So there is definitely room for gold to do its pullback. You're going to want to see this 1326 level fail, and dropping down to this hourly time frame to give you another more detailed perspective. You want to see essentially this trend line slash this 200 be the mark. So 1317 should technically hold 1315. If not, then we're going to be obviously heading lower and lower and lower, so we eventually get back to that 1300 mark. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen very quickly. It may. I doubt it. But I do see that we are definitely due for a retracement. I mean, everybody's kind of talking about it, when it's going to happen. So on my hourly time frame, I have my bearish cross up here below the 50, and below this top end of the channel that I created, as you saw in this daily time frame, referencing this red line here that you see here where my pointer is at. So back to this hourly time frame, just keep in mind that if you are short, please, please, please make sure that you have the opportunity and the ability to put in your stop losses overnight. So heaven forbid something happens, you at least have that protection and you don't lose too much, if anything at all. Hopefully you're in profit when you put your stop losses in, and then, or you adjust your stop losses when you get in the profit. That's what I meant to say, so that you do have minimum risk. So just do take care of yourselves on this. I do think that we'll see further downside a little bit to this 1326 level or so. If that breaks, which I do think that it will, then we'll be heading back down to about this 1318 level fairly rapidly. So that's what I'm seeing for gold. I don't really think that we're going to see too, as far as the upside is concerned. I think we're topped out. So for now, it's a matter of consolidation slash retracement, and the distance between where we're going to actually stop. So again, keep that weekly in your back of your mind at least, and I'll update you all on Friday. But again, if we break that 1326 level, then it'll be a trip back down to about that 1315 level or so, or potentially even lower heading into next week. So that's what I'm seeing personally for gold. I thank you all so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, please feel welcome to email me, thetradersperspective@gmail.com. Have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll update you all on Friday as usual.